Bridgehurst Willits Road at the bridge. Closed to eastbound traffic. Leave now. Use safest evacuation routes possible. Monitor me and Nixle. Do not call 911 for information. Call 911 for life-threatening emergency. Use safest evacuation route possible. For more information about wildfire preparedness, visit www.redtapeforwildfire.org. For maps, go to https://timeworld.com/meadow. Leave now. Monitor me and Nixle. Do not call 911 for information. Call 911 for life-threatening emergency. Use safest evacuation route possible. For maps, go to https://timeworld.com/meadow.